Hey streamers! In this video we're exploring the Believe demo that comes with the free Hello WpStream theme, built specifically for churches and ministries. If you've already seen our previous setup video, you'll know how to install the demo and required plugins like Elementor. Now we'll walk you through what your website will look like after importing the demo. From live stream sermons and worship sessions to donation-ready pages and engaging media library, this demo gives you everything you need to bring your ministry online. Now let's take a closer look at how it all works on your website. So the first thing I'm showing you is how this live stream presents over here. And this is the first, or technically the second section of the page. And then you will have read the word, which is basically the blog post section. And here's how a blog post will look like. It shows you how many reads. You can leave a comment, like, dislike even. And you can also share it with your friends, your online community on Facebook, and things like that. You also have this option right over here, and below is the comment section. You also have the related blog posts, so related to the blog post you've already read, the latest posts, and trending. So that's the most popular posts that have been read. Now let's go back to home and see what other sections you will have on your Believe demo or on your ministry page. So we also have faith live streams. So this is all current or previous live streams that have happened on your ministry website, on your church website. You can even load more, and this is basically an Elementor section. Here you also have a donate to the cause section, and I believe that this was with WP Give. And we also have sermons you missed, so you can scroll through these and see what you've missed, what your viewers have missed. You can also add to your watch later section, and you'll find this in your account. And now we're going to sermons. So sermons on replay. Here you will see what live streams you've missed, or just videos that have been uploaded that you can watch. And here is an example. I'm doing picture-in-picture while showing you because this is something that your viewers tend to do. So they'll scroll through your website and see what's available while also watching. So it's a great feature to have. Now you can also see that we have a section right here with item types, categories, actors, and media categories, and you can scroll through different things, and depending on the tags and categories, each video, blog posts, or things like that, depending on the tags they have, they will appear over here. We also have a sermon archive, so this is with everything that has already been streamed, watched, or just available on your website. So I've clicked on this evening worship category, and I have 3 blog posts and 3 live streams, free to view live streams more specifically. Now I'm going to the events page. So this is everything that is currently happening. Right now there's no live stream, but once someone goes live, they will appear right over here. And I'll show you later how a regular user can go live if you allow it. And you'll also see past live streams and even an upcoming services type of calendar thing. So we have like different items, number of items under, and the type of services that are available. Of course, we have the blog post, and we have a featured article right over here. So this is a letter from our pastor, for example. You can share it, you can read more, and things like that. We also have the blog section that we've also showed you earlier, and more resources. There's also a ready-to-go donations page, and keep in mind that everything is editable with Elementor, and you can also edit with the customize section. And we'll be creating 2 different videos, one for the customize section and one for the Elementor section, to show you exactly how you can mix and match these sections that we've just showed you, and everything that's available with the demo, technically with the theme, but yeah, the demo is something that is ready to use, ready to go, and you can just replace all the text and images and videos that you may have. There's also a contact section, so we've added a contact section here as well. So like an address that you can add, phone numbers, prayer requests, and a form, and there's also a maps type of section. Now, to show you how you can go live or how regular users can go live, you can go to your account and click on Start Streaming. And your viewers can either stream from a channel they've already streamed on and created like here, or they can create a new free channel. So I have clicked on a new free channel. It's creating, and this is how it looks like. You can edit it, add images, a title, tags, categories, descriptions, and you can also add it as a paid channel and price it. So you can enable or disable this from the customize section, and I'll show you this in a later video. But for now, this is basically the section where regular users can go live on your website. So you can edit this channel that already exists, add a trailer, a preview, an image list, and things like that. So if you view the channel, this is how it looks like when no one is streaming yet, when you're not streaming yet. Here's your image gallery, your description, tags, categories, things like that. So that is basically it. All the features and plenty more are available once you come and start exploring. We hope you've enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and let us know what you want to see next. Bye.